Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy D. I know it's been a while, but I have some awesome things for you. So, the first thing is first. I'm gonna do more videos. I just did a little transition, so I appreciate the followers, appreciate the subscribers. The first thing I'd like to say is that I got a mod. So one of the cool mods I actually purchased I was debating on was I got some summer tires. So originally what I had was winter tires on the car, which is pretty dope. They're pretty good, especially in the rain. They were phenomenal. But what I did was that I chose to, sorry, that was a nice truck. What I chose to do was actually go with summer tires. I actually went with Indy 500s, and they were amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you. What we're gonna do a drive-by. We're gonna do a drive and see how they feel. I'm gonna do it on regular mode. We're gonna do it on actual with the ESP on sport. I don't want to put it off because I don't know yet. And the second thing is, I drove this car in the rain. As soon as I got the tires, it actually rained, and I was actually nervous. I'm like, why would I want a summer tire with this time of tread wear and be driving in the rain? Luckily, I drove it in the rain. We drove it a couple states. We drove it in New Jersey, New York, through Pennsylvania, through a couple other states, and it felt phenomenal. Like, I was super confident driving in the rain, and now it's about 90 degrees. This is where you want it to be. This is where it should be gripping. So I'm super excited. So we're gonna do a drive-by. We can do a drive with it in the car. We're gonna have some fun with it. But honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you, this wakes up the car. I have a couple mods already set up with my boy Slow Speed. We have a lot of things in store, but this right here sets up the car. The carbon fiber mirror caps make the car look sexy, but this makes you enjoy the car that much more. And the reason why I say I love the car so much is because, hey, it's a luxury car. It's all-wheel drive. It's a V6 twin turbo. Like, come on. The only car that's actually close to this would be what? GTR, luxury car, V6 twin turbo. Also the new VQs, sorry, it's not a VQ, the new Infinities with their V6 twin turbo also. Like, there's not many cars out that using the, I want to say larger motor, but right now you know how everything is where they're making the motor smaller. So this is actually something really cool that I keep long term. So I love it. We're gonna try to find fun and cool ways to enjoy it, maybe keep it long term, but this is my baby, man, and I love it. I'm trying to find ways to express my enthusiasm with you as me just getting this modification. So we're gonna do a walk around of the car. I'm gonna show you what the tires look like and the tread wear and all that. I don't have the exact specification of the wheels. What I do, I'll go over the build sheet and I show you how much it was. I actually got lucky because the guys in Firestone through the 4th of July sale, I got 15% off. And you know, 15% off of $1,000 is a lot of money. So that's another thing about me. I'm all about budgeting. I want things to make sense and I want to save money. That's what I'm about. So let's just follow me. You're gonna go for a ride. We're gonna go for some nice scenic views because we're in a beautiful secret location. So enjoy. So, when I made these changes, so what I did was that, look how nice that sounds. What I did was, I actually bought some new tires for the car. It literally feels amazing. And what we're gonna do, I just put it in sport. We're gonna take it on these back roads and we're gonna have some fun. I'm speechless because normally I drive this car with the traction control fully on. I have it in sport, and to be honest, it feels exactly how I want it to feel. With the traction control fully on, it feels more like a I'm not gonna lie to you, it feels just like the regular Mercedes. again. This is crazy.